are in the season. We make variety of dishes made up of mangoes. We make pickles, smoothies, ice creams and whatnot. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and I am your little YouTuber Gargi. In this video, I am going to share with you all delicious, super creamy and fantastic Rainbow Mango Custard. So let's get going. So to prepare Rainbow Mango Custard, here I have taken 500 ml of milk. This is full fat milk. Then add 2.5 tablespoon of custard powder. Now mix the custard powder and milk nicely and make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. The mixture is lump free. Now add sugar as per your taste. Here I am using candy sugar. If you don't have this, you can go for caster sugar or granulated sugar. Now add 2 drops of vanilla essence. Don't add a lot because already custard powder has flavor of vanilla. Now turn on the flame and keep the custard mixture on the flame and mix it until it thickens and until the sugar melts. I will show you the right consistency of the custard when it will reach to the right consistency. Now our custard has reached to the right consistency. Look how creamy and shiny, gleaming it is looking. Now turn off the flame and keep it on the countertop until it turns into room temperature. Then we will keep this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. And then let's see. So now the custard is chilling in the refrigerator. Till the time here I have chopped 1 mango. Use a ripe mango, very sweet mango, and make sure you take the variety of mango that you can chop. Now if you want to keep your mango in the refrigerator, then you can keep, but I am not going to keep because already the custard is going to be chilled. So yeah, I am not going to chill the mango in the refrigerator, only custard. Now add the mango in the custard and then give it a nice mix. Mix it lightly, otherwise the mangoes will just mash in the custard. Then it will turn into custard mango amrus. Now the last final step is to sprinkle some sprinkles and then also add some mango slices, small mango slices. You can decorate the custard as per your wish. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. Till the time, toodles!